Welcome to West Coast Finest Hair and Dance Channel. Yes, I upload videos every single week, so subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss any of our videos. Yes, today my client has come in to get a beautiful style. Yes, she is getting box braids with coiled ends or curly ends. Look at this beautiful style. But first, if you want your hair to grow, to hit the link below. Yes, the link below is to our G&G Hair Growth Butter, made with 100% all natural ingredients. Our small jars are $10 and our large jars are $20. So yes, our prices are very affordable. So if you want longer, thicker hair, get your order in now. Yes, so back to my client. Let's start her braid pattern. So yes, as you've seen in the pictures, she does have some hair loss around her edges and in the front. So I am going to do the healthiest braid pattern for her hair. So along with the healthy braid pattern, I am also needing to do a braid pattern that it's going to hide the areas where she has hair loss. So yes, I am going to show you in this video the braid pattern that you can do for your clients or for yourself to make sure that areas that you have hair loss around the edges or in the front are covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to install the crochets so that they fall in a way that they will cover it and you will have a nice full style. So continue to keep watching and I am going to show you how this is accomplished. So my client wanted a right side part. So that's what I'm creating right here. I am going to show you how I do my parts, and you can do yours. And this to me is the most easiest and simplest way. So I did one cornrow going back to the length that she wants her part. She wants a longer part, about 1.5 to 2 inches long. So I braided the first braid that length, and I'm going to do another braid right alongside that one or next to that one, and it's going to be the same exact length, and then I'm going to connect those two braids together. As you can see here, I just connected that first braid with that second braid, and that's what's going to create her part. Now if you want a shorter part, the only thing you need to do is braid that braid shorter, meaning don't braid the braid as long as I did. So if you want a really short part, then stop the braid. Only braid the braid about 1 inch and then braid another braid on the side of that about 1 inch and connect them together. Very simple, right? So yes, I created her a right side part, and now I'm working on the left side, which is the side she has the most hair loss on. So because she has hair loss on the side, I am braiding her hair down. Why? Because I don't want to put any tension and I don't want to pull on her edges at all. And this braid going down is going to help hide this area where she has the hair loss. It's going to cover that area for her. So yes, here is the beautiful, beautiful box braids with the coiled ends. Yes, it is 10 inches and this color is 1B. There are 3 sections in this pack, and the pack was only $9.99. Yes, $9.99. It was a great buy. So this style is very easy, very simple to do. It only took us 1 hour and 45 minutes. Yes, 1 hour and 45 minutes. So if you are looking for a style that's really cute, doesn't take a long time, try these box braids. Plus the style lasts a great long time. So here I am starting crocheting, which is my favorite part. Yes, so I'm going to crochet on this bottom cornrow that I did, and that's just in case she wants to pull her hair up, because this is only 10 inches. It won't be able to go into a high ponytail at all, but she will be able to pull it back into a really low ponytail. So just continue to watch, and I'm going to show you how I install these beautiful, beautiful box braids on her hair. Yes, continue to watch. Okay, family, so I am now crocheting in the front on the side where she has the most hair loss. So this is how you want to install the crochet so that you are covering those areas. As you can see, I am taking the crochet needle and I'm going in at the top. I am not going in from the bottom or from the other side. I'm not sure how to explain that, but you can see visually what I'm doing. I'm going in from the top of the braid and I am bringing the crochet and it's falling toward the front. When it falls toward the front, that is what's going to cover that area where she has that hair loss. So again, you will see me bringing the crochet needle through the top of the braid, and then I am crocheting the box braid on, and it is falling to the front, which is going to cover. Oh, yes, here it is, a surprise with a sprinkle or a mixture of color. Yes, we are mixing in some 1B30 to give her a little highlight and mix this color on in there for her. Yes, this is going to brighten up this style and give it a splash of color. So again, I am going to use the same method or the same process where I am going to go in at the top of the braid and I am going to not go all the way underneath the braid, but kind of through the braid so that the crochet is sitting on top. That makes it versatile so that it can move forward, front, and back. So that way she can have a versatility with this style. So again, continue to keep watching as I fill her hair in and fill in these braids, and you will see how this beautiful style is accomplished. Again, if you're looking for a really cute style that doesn't take a long time to install, something that is very versatile as well as longevity, this is the perfect style. If you haven't tried these box braids with the coiled ends, try them. They come in 10-inch, they come in 12 and 14-inch. They may come in longer inches, but I haven't seen any yet. So again, keep watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. I always send much love to all my subscribers and to my new viewers as well. Thank you. Much love. Okay, fam, this beautiful style is complete. Please leave me some comments down below and tell me what you think about this style, what you think about the process or the method that I used. What do you think about how I do my parts? Just leave me some comments, ask me any questions. I love to answer questions, so please feel free. And again, this is West Coast Finest Hair and Dance channel. That is what I love to do, hair and dance. So again, stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay safe.